Hello guys, this is Dave. Hey, I got here a little power bank charger. It's a 4,000 milliwatt hour from Monoprice is the manufacturer or company, and this is what you get. You get the quick user guide, the charge cable. Here's the box that came in, and the power bank itself. Now, as I said, it's a 4,000 milliamp, and it only has one charge port. There's your charging port there to charge it, and there's a on-off switch there. So let's just turn it on. Of course, it shows 4 bars, and I believe if you hold the button down, the flashlight will come on. Yeah, there it is. So the flashlight, so you hold it down again and the flashlight will go off. And I think if you tap it twice, it will just turn off. Yeah, like that. So it's a nice little power bank charger. It's got a nice finish on it. It's not heavy like I have a 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, and much heavier. So you get your charging cable here, and there's, you plug it into the power bank here. Plug this into your power source. This will charge like Apple device, like iPhones, iPad. It'll charge Android devices like that. I'm going to try it on my iPad a little bit later. It's got a full charge now, but when I get a chance, I'll charge it up with that. So it was less than $11. It was on Amazon. And I went ahead and bought it. It will charge on a full charge. I believe it says it'll charge an iPhone 2 times. So I imagine an iPhone or Android probably 2 times. iPad at least once, depending on what the charge on the iPad is. So like I said, it's a 4,000 milliamp battery capacity, and it powers and charges US powered devices. It's got overcurrent protection, automatic charging without the need to tap on and hold a button. And of course, it's got the micro USB charging cable. So anyway, guys, that's the Monoprice 4,000 milliwatt hour power bank. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Y'all take care. We'll catch you later, huh? All right, see ya.